Awesome. Welcome, everybody. I'm here with Konstantinos Synodinos for Artificial Conference. And man, I'm super excited about your presentation, brother. I've loved all the things that you're doing online. But for those who don't know, marketing genius over here, why should someone listen to you in the world of marketing and everything that you're going to be talking about?
Marketing is full of fluff in today's world, so I hate fluff, and that's why the name of my brand is Simply Digital. That's what I represent as a person. That I want to keep it simple. I want to keep it straight to the point, and I know that it's super overwhelming for people regarding digital marketing, AI, what's happening right now. It's super overwhelming even for me, and that's why I always try to keep it simple and really give them the main points of what they should be interested in, what they should do moving forward in order to maximize and capitalize the opportunity that we're living today, which is actually something that I did also after the pandemic. I'm sitting in a chair in South Athens, and right now I have the biggest digital marketing channel globally, and that happened in a couple of years, and all that just with the power of the back camera of my mobile phone. So that's what I want to teach to people, that this is really something for everybody. You don't have to be a professional creator or a marketeer or whatever. You just need to have the appetite to see what's happening today, leverage this opportunity, and see what is the benefit for you, because it's huge and you cannot really afford to leave it go away.
That's awesome. So who would you say, or personally, what are you most excited about when it comes to the conference and the world of AI?
For me, it's all about people. If we are in front of a screen every single day, in front of a laptop or a mobile phone, and sometimes you really lose the sense of what's happening, your reach, the impact that you have to people. And when you are part of a physical event and you interact with others, you see the impact of the things that you do in their faces. It's a totally new story. So I always love physical events. I love meeting new people. And I'm excited for people that are really excited about the same thing, which is AI, and how we can really treat that as an amazing opportunity instead of a threat, which is something that 90% of people treat it like that. So I love to be part of a conference with people that see that as an opportunity.
Yeah, that's awesome, man. So who would you say would be great to attend your presentation? Because we have a lot of different presenters, a lot of different subjects. Who would you say, you know, if you're a person that's like this, come check me out. Who would you say that would be great to attend your presentation?
I think people that want to make a change in their careers, or people that want to escape the rat race or do something different, and they really don't know where to start. Sometimes all you need to do is start creating content. So people that, really want to figure it out and find a way, find their next step, can really do that through content. This is a great way to guide them to their next step. Also very relevant for business owners to see how they can really leverage whatever is happening right now on the internet for their own benefit, to build their brand or their personal brand. For digital marketeers and marketeers, of course, you cannot really afford to leave this train, stay ahead, because you really need to catch up with everything that's happening right now. Whether you like it or not, we're working in an industry that it's super fast changing, and we need to stay ahead, which means daily interaction with that, going to conferences like this one, and staying up to date what's happening.
Awesome. What would you say would be a key takeaway that people would be able to get out of attending your presentation? What are some of the things that...
For me, it's all about taking action. I had a video yesterday on YouTube, which is all about mental masturbation. That's how it's called, which is the thing that most people are doing, discussing, thinking about plans, getting excited about sharing their plans and their crazy ideas with others, and never taking action, never. So everything really is all about this instant stimulation that they get about sharing the ideas and never materializing them. So for me, it's all about having the motivation and the clear path to start taking action. And I believe that this is what my part will be all about. How you can really understand what's happening. I will open your eyes about this opportunity, make it simple for you, and show you what you need to do next.
Very cool. So what would you say to someone who is on the fence? They're like, oh yeah, I should invest. I should go to the presentation. Maybe they're on the fence. What would you say to that person?
I would say that opportunities like that don't really appear many times in our lives. And I changed very many times the things that I did in my life. And going back, I really see 4 or 5 different moments in my life that were really pivotal for me, for the things that I changed. Escaping the rat race, doing something, empowering myself to try and do different things. And all that was because of specific pivotal moments, like specific seminars that I joined, specific people that I met that inspired me. This little push that you need sometimes in order to make this very difficult first step towards a new direction. So I believe that moments like that are worth it. A little investment for a huge potential change in the course of your life. So I think that says it all. These are the pivotal moments we're looking for. Being together with people that are really doing it, have done it, or they're about to do it.
I love it. Love it. So for you, how has artificial intelligence transformed like your field of expertise, and what do you foresee in the near future? I know we can talk a little bit more about this on the at the conference, but how has it transformed for you already as a marketer?
For me, I'm a digital marketer many years, so I still believe that I can really do most things better than AI in terms of writing a compelling copy or doing some research or knowing where to find what. But for the majority of people, that is really something that can really elevate what they're doing in many aspects. For me personally, sometimes it really helps me with my creative block. Whenever I don't feel secure about something, I'm not a native English speaker, so many times I'm really consulting it in terms of rewriting something in better English in a way. I use many tools that improve the quality of my content and make things faster. For me, different kind of operations, especially when you're scaling a business, optimizing your operations is key, and AI can really help you do that very quickly. For example, yesterday I created a video on my own, which was like 10 minutes long, and AI did the whole editing within seconds, like cutting out all the poses, all the dead frames within seconds. Normally, you would need a couple of hours to do that because my editor was away. So I had to do it myself, and I used a tool, and I saved 2 hours of my life.
That's amazing. Well, which one was that?
That's Time Bolt. That's how it's called.
Time Bolt.
B-O-L-T.
Yeah. Very cool. Yeah, I have to try that. Maybe with this.
Why not?
Maybe with this, we'll give it a shot. Yeah, see what it comes up with. So have you got a chance to look at the lineup and all the different things that we're talking about, from education to creative? We have marketing, we have automation, we have copyright and the law, future forecasting. Have you got a chance to take a look at them?
Yeah, I had a look. I think that, everybody has an exciting thing to share from their own experience, from their own point of view about AI. And I know for sure that AI is going to have an application in everything that's happening in our life right now. Medical stuff, transportation, you name it. There will be no sector in life that will not be influenced by AI. So I want to see what other people have to say about that, how they really approach it. I will learn new things myself when I'm in the conference. So yeah, I'm really excited about that.
Yeah. Is there anyone in particular that you want to connect with at the conference?
Everybody. You cannot really minimize or underrate the things that somebody has to say there. Even the person that is least known to you or their CV is not clear for you. I really want to see what people have to say about that and meet new people, make connections. And it can also be transformative for many people's businesses. Those conferences, one contact can really change the course of your business. New collaborations, new ideas, new business deals. This can really be super beneficial for people.
No, that's awesome. That's taken us to pretty much the end. For someone, you've spoken at a number of conferences and things like that. What has you most excited about coming to LA, and anything else you want to share with people on their way to come see you?
I saw a chart yesterday. It was the countries that invest the most right now behind AI. It was like US, number one, which is like 80% of the total global investment behind AI. Number two is China. And all the other markets combined cannot really meet the levels of China and US. So it's the biggest scene in the world right now in terms of AI and in general in the tech/internet industry. So if there is one place you need to be to stay ahead and to really get excited about what's happening, is US and LA and the tech side of things. And that's why I cannot really think about any other place that I would love to be for such an event.
Awesome. Thank you, brother. That is a wrap, man. That was great. I think we got tons of amazing stuff. Now just time bolt it and we'll be good to go. We'll be good to go. Yeah, man. So any other questions, please just keep them rolling to the team or hit me up. But we'll be getting, things are going to amplify and then we'll get the whole marketing thing out for you. One of the things that a creative team was doing was actually taking presentations. So people that have already created content using AI and remixing it. So we would want to do that going through Stable Diffusion and stuff like that. If you're okay with that, it's still your voice, but it's your image manipulated with AI. Represented.
Sure, feel free.
Just show people like, hey.
Whatever you have out of any videos that you develop, any kind of graphics that you develop, whatever you can share with me, and absolutely fine to share it with my audience as well.
Yeah. Awesome. Yeah, we'll be making some cool stuff. So it's going to be a busy weekend.
That's cool. Excited about that and
what time is it?
Very looking forward to meeting you, man.
Oh man, and we're gonna have a blast. You're gonna meet some amazing people too. So many of them are my friends from John Lepore, Don Allen. I've known them for years. Amazing people. They really are about community. And that's what I'm all about here, is merging the creative community that's terrified. That's that 99% that's terrified because of the jobs and everything else. And they are pioneers in that. So merging that with the new technology of AI is something that can create this global community where we're sharing ideas, we're figuring out how to solve problems and be creative with it instead of dominated by it. So that's where I'm super excited, is the collaboration.
Yeah, for me
here too, and for you guys to collaborate. And I can't wait to
this is big because many people know me in the US and I haven't been there for at least like 3-4 years. And I would love to start making a bit more meaningful connections there. I have many clients there, many big partners, business partners, etc. But I would love to interact with the community a bit more. And I believe that big creators right now are pretty much like athletes. They need representation, they need proper networking, they need people that can really help them do more stuff with whatever they're doing.
You can do that.
Yeah, so I think it would be great.
You could definitely do that.
It would be great.
Yeah, man. Well, we definitely need you over here. Everybody, I was just talking to Anthony Lee, one of our presenters on automation beforehand. I'm super excited to meet Konstantinos, and he's all on the automation tip. So I think with your marketing and all the things that you're creating and automation, I feel there's going to be some really amazing things that come out of this. So I'm super excited.
Great. Cool, man.
Awesome, man.